Avon offers unmatched sport touring performance with its new Spirit ST tires. These replace the Avon Storm 3D XM line and are made to handle well all year in all weather. One key feature to this end is Avon's 3D Sipe technology, which incorporates three-dimensional points inside the sipes for better stability and grip. They also limit tread flex and make it so the tires warm up faster. The ST tires have a high silica compound construction, and the rear tire is a multi-compound design to make it more versatile. What's more, Avon offers a free road hazard warranty with the Spirit STs, as well as 15,000-mile coverage if you register at purchase. Follow the link in the description for sizing information and price. And be sure to subscribe to Rider's Domain for more product spotlights and motorcycle reviews.